Just getting back from the Subaru dealership. Gonna be doing an install today, boys. So went and got 2 screws and a relay that will be needed for the fog lights. Also got the fog light switch, the new one that will be replacing this one and adding the fog light component. Only thing I didn't get for the fog lights were 2 clips. So hopefully I don't need those. If not, I got some duct tape and zip ties. First we'll remove this screw right here, just your classic Phillips head screwdriver. After that, this whole piece should kind of pop off somehow. Oh yeah, just clips. Now to remove this upper piece, there's 3 more screws. One located right up there, one located right up there. The third one, let's see if I can find it with the camera. Nope, I can't. Let's see where she's hiding. See it. And there you go. After playing with the angles a little bit, you should be able to pull that plastic piece out from there. All I have to do to put this new control switch with the fog light switch on the vehicle, 2 bolts, and right there. And the other right up the top, and then just the plug that controls the switch right here. Before I do any of that and put in the new relay, I'm gonna first disconnect the battery. Then to replace said fog light, we're gonna need to take off a couple clips down here. Clip right here, just get a flathead screwdriver. There's also another one right up there. Let's get a Phillips head, unscrew that. That should do the job. Ooh, there's a bug right there. I got it there. Oh, there goes his head. But, yeah, just 2 clips and that screw. And then, I hope he should pull down. On Subarus, thank God Subaru thought of this. But right there, that is the power connector for the fog light. Subaru's already ran the wire for you. So all you have to do is buy the relay, new control switch, the clips to secure them, and the screws, and yeah, that's all you need. That's not working. Uh-oh. Yeah, I broke that clip. So my vehicle's a 2009. You know, as you can see, like around this area, there's just got a bit of rust, so I just want it out now. She's pissing me off. Oh, God. Oh. Didn't hurt myself. And at this point. And it's starting to rain. Oh. Oh, no. You know what? Ah, there's the rest of the clip. There's half of it broken. Dude, I've started breaking. This is just, it's not my day. I did this before. I've done this before and it was not this hard last time. Status update, 7 minutes, 45 seconds. Good. Battle of centuries. Oh man. Oh man. I really did it now. Oh boy. There he goes. Oh man. Oh no. Oh man. The dog sees him. Might find truck you see there. So, as you can see, big screwdriver caused a lot of damage, and now this should now stuck in there. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out, but I'm just gonna use the smaller screwdriver. Let's see. Try attacking it from this angle, see if I can. Oh yeah, nope. We're gonna need the big screwdriver for that. Nope. Oh. Oh my god, are you? I just had to push it up. Would you look at that?
Once those clips are removed, you rip that piece down like so.
So we can access behind this. Right here. So as you can see, I got one bolt in and a zip tie. Be good. As you guys can see, the relay was added right there. So the one on the bottom right there to the right, that is the extra relay I had to add. Now before all those 3 relays, all the ones going down, those are already installed. I added the one on the right bottom. That is for your fog lights. Once you have everything installed, once the head of the car on, you can see now that fog light switch now turns on. Yeah, they look good. If you had a switch wired in, let's say somewhere around here, you'd have to manually turn that switch on and off each time to turn the fog lights on. Otherwise, if you leave them on, they'd be left on all the time. Subaru has this factory set, so that way when you turn the car off, these will automatically be shut off. That, my friends, is how you want to install fog lights on your WRX. Hope this video helped.